Hello and welcome to Falten mit Yvonne. Today I show you how to fold a flower out of paper stripes. You need 2 paper stripes. I'll use paper stripes of this size. Lay one paper stripe end on top of the other. Fold this top on the opposite top. Fold the left stripe over this edge to the right side. Fold the lower stripe over this edge upward. Fold the white stripe over the edge to the left side. Fold the upper stripe down. Fold the left to the right side. Fold from underneath to the top. Repeat it until the end. Hide the ends inside. Use this triangle as a bag. Insert the top of the square into the bag. Now it holds together without glue. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like to see more tutorials like this. Thank you.